Hi, in this last overview video of AutoLUX for AutoCAD, I want to demonstrate how obstructions work in our interface. So we know what's going on in this site pretty well. We have a calculation grid, several light schemes. We want to see what's happening on the neighbor's property. So first I'm going to create a new grid very quickly. I'm just going to call this West Neighbor. I'm going to measure just horizontal lux. Okay. Now I've got to place that grid in space, grid XYZ, and I want to place some points on our property boundary. So let's draw a quick line from this endpoint to this endpoint, and then place grid points on that polyline. And we'll do a 5-foot spacing. Got some options here. Great, we have our grid points. We can hit calculate now, and we can see what's happening here. We just need to move these a bit so it's a little more readable. And my text size is a little bit large. There we go. But we can see how much light is spilling off the site there. Now let's say we want to block that light with, say, a fence. So let's put in an offset of that polyline 2 feet. Let's just do 1 foot. Let's move it here manually. I'm going to place this polyline on a layer called shadow. Anything on the shadow layer is going to be seen as an obstruction to the interface. We need to give this object a height so that it can properly block the or simulate the effect of a fence. So a couple ways to do this: you can extrude it up, you can make a 3D solid, you can make a 3D grid. I'm just going to do it the easy way and add a thickness to a polyline. And let's say this is 1.5 meters tall. Now if I look at this in an isometric view, and let's add a fill, you can see that my fence is modeled here. There's my building, and then there's a canopy over here. But we're really just concerned with this part right now. If we go back to our top view and go back to a 2D wireframe, we then hit AutoLUX calculate, and all those values have now gone to 0, and we're not spilling any light onto our neighbor's property at that point.